To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make cinematic b-roll with mobile apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to make cinematic b-roll with your mobile apps, then all you gotta do is simply edit your videos and photos with your mobile apps like CapCut, InShot, or VN. So you can simply open any of the editing tools, and once you have opened the editing tool, you can simply import a video or stuff and slow down the middle clip for dreaming effect and speed up the endings. You can color grade it, adjust colors, contrast to achieve a consistent cinematic look, add layers and sound designs. Now, after you have done everything, you need to now export this thing in 1080p or higher than that. And once you have done this, you will be able to make cinematic b-roll with your mobile applications. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.